So when I heard the news that the Oculus Quest Pro was discontinued and that it was no longer going to be made, I kind of figured that the Oculus Meta Quest 3 would be absolutely amazing. And Oculus did not disappoint. This is the brand new Oculus Quest 3 that's going to come out on October 10th. And as you can see on the front of this bad boy, we have a triple setup right there. We have our typical cameras around. We, of course, do have our power button right here. Three, I think that's speakers right there. The volume rocker right there. And, of course, the pro level headset, which hopefully it does ship with that. I believe it does, which is absolutely awesome. It comes in at $500, or if you want the 256 or 512GB model, you have to spend $650. This thing is twice as fast as the Oculus Quest 2. It has a new Snapdragon processor, a new display, Xbox Cloud Gaming, and yeah, it's actually crazy. There are also new controllers that have touch pass. These controllers ditch the sensor ring from the Quest 2 and have improved haptics, but are still powered by AA batteries. Perhaps more impactful are the changes to the display hardware. The lens has been upgraded with the pancake style that first debuted on the Quest 2 or Quest Pro. First debuted in the Quest Pro with a horizon field of view and 110 degree and vertical at 96 degree. Roughly 15% improved over the Quest 2. The display are now 2064 by 2208, but still using an LCD. Under the hood, the Meta Quest 3 is powered by the updated Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 processor, which Meta says doubles the graphic performances and even stronger than the Quest Pro. The cameras are also upgraded with a new color cameras that are better suited to XR pass-through compared to the black and white cameras of the Quest 2. Meta also added a new blended mode that lets you play games while still seeing all parts of the world around you. So kind of having like AR technology. And again, like I said, this is really freaking dope. Like, overall wise, yes, it's expensive, but there's a reason why it's expensive. Is because, yeah, it's worth it, I would say. But, you already know I'm picking this up. You already know your boy's picking this up 1000%. Because I love my Quest 2. I love my Oculus Pro. But I have to see how much better this is than the Oculus Pro. I have to see it. Like, there's no way in heck I would not, I would be able to not pick this up and see if it's better than the Quest Pro. Because the Quest Pro is already my favorite headset I've ever owned. I love the Quest 2, but the Quest Pro is number one for me. So, if this is even better than the Quest 2 and more powerful than the Quest Pro in some categories, that's going to be absolutely A++. So again, you can actually right now pre-order at bestbuy.com. You can pre-order a lot of different places. And again, this is interesting. So there's also other things you could buy with this. So you can also buy the controller grips. You can buy the Pro headset. The Pro strap headset. And also the docking station. So does this... No, wait. So this is not the Pro level headset then, right? Hang on. Okay, no, it is. It just, this comes with a battery grip. I wonder if the the Quest 2 stuff works in any way with this. I'm going to guess no if Best Buy is selling everything like, by themselves. And it's not like, you're buying it together again. I'm going to guess that, but... Again, like I said, this is very interesting. Tell me down below if you are thinking about picking this up, because I definitely am. I'm going to do an unboxing review for the channel, but I'm excited about this. I'm really excited about this, guys. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.